In this video tutorial I am going to build a beam and then I am going to perform the simulation, the structural stress simulation on it. So first thing is that I'm going to build the model. So go here on document setting and verify your units. Now the selected units are in millimeter, but we needed to change that in inches. So click OK, go to create, select this front plane and then go to create, select a rectangle, center rectangle and select this center and grab the mouse like that and then go here create and sketch dimension. So this dimension is given as 12.125 and this dimension is given as 12.53. Press enter. Then I'm going to select line tool and draw a line, a horizontal line like that and again another line like that. Okay, now go here on rectangle, 2-point rectangle and select this point, first point on that like that and second point on that like that. Okay, and then again go to create, sketch dimension and select this line and this line to put a dimension for this line. So this dimension is given as 0.515. okay, and as you see this triangle move here, but we needed that in the center between this center. So the total distance between these two lines is 0.515. we needed to add another distance selecting this line and this center. So this distance must be 0.515 divided by 2. So to make it in the center. Now I am going to select tool, go to modify tools and select trim. We needed to trim this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion, and we also don't needed this portion and this portion. Now we needed to add another dimension. Go to create, sketch dimension and this dimension is 0.81. press enter and this dimension is also 0.81. press enter. So we made this sketch. Go here and finish sketch, go to isometric view, then go to extrude, pull that in that direction and put -120. So this is the beam, we just draw it. Now I am going to make the simulation. So go here on design and click on this triangle, this little triangle. It will show simulation. Select simulation and then a pop-up window will appear and make sure you select the static stress and click create. And now again the first thing is then you needed to change the units. So go here on units and go here and select the custom units to US inches and click OK. As you know, we needed to apply the load in the middle of that beam. So again I am going to go to the design. I needed to mark a point on that surface, so it must be telling us the center of this beam on the top surface. So go here, create, select this top surface and select a point, draw a point like that and again go to create, sketch dimension, select this point and this line. This distance between the point and the line must be 12.125 divided by 2 and from here to this center it must be 60. Finish it and then go to construct and select point at a vertex and make sure you select this point and press OK. It will create a point on that top surface where you will apply the load. So again go to simulation and select constraint. So select this structural constraint fixed and make sure you select this surface on one hand, this whole surface, and click OK. And then go to load, structure loads, select this. So make sure you select this point. Selection is not correct. Make sure you select this point. And now this is normal angle, and here on vertex select this one, and from here Fy type the forces, and for the direction put negative, so you have the required direction. Click OK. Then go to materials and make sure the steel is selected. Click OK. Then again go to mesh here on edit and make it 5. It's 6. No, it's 5. Click OK. And then solve this model. It will take some time to do this analysis, so just wait here. It will take time to do the calculation to make the mesh. So this is done. Okay, close it. And we needed to see the deflection, so go here on safety and select displacement, and as you see, you can see the maximum and the minimum deflection in that beam. The load of 1000 is producing in that beam. So next you needed to make the screenshot of that, so showing your name. So go here and type snipping tool. You needed to select the snipping tool, and then it will ask about the new picture. So you needed to take the whole picture of your window showing your name and everything, like that. Take that picture and you needed to paste that picture in the Word document. So this is the first analysis, we just did it.